Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your plant into a seed and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to turn your plant into a seed, you need to get the item called reclaimer. Wait, I'm going to show you. Okay, you need to have this reclaimer, and you can click on the reclaimer and you can choose the plant you want to turn into a seed. And for example, I'm going to select my corn and we'll get this question, and I'm just going to click on confirm. Okay, now it's done guys. My corn already turned into a seed, and I'm going to check it on the seed items. Okay, I'm going to scroll down to check my corn. Okay, this one. This is for the corn seed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to turn our plants into seeds and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.